If you're considering getting into self-publishing, you've probably heard of Amazon KDP at some point, but you might be asking yourself, what exactly is Amazon KDP and how does it work? So in this video, I'm going to explain all of that in detail, as well as take you behind the scenes and show you exactly what that looks like in my own self-publishing account. If you've never seen any of my videos before, my name is Trevor and I have been self-publishing on Amazon KDP for about 7 years now, and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars. So to start off, KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. So this is Amazon's self-publishing platform. And the great thing about this is it lets everyday people like you or me in a large variety of countries all over the world publish their book onto Amazon and allow them to sell it in all these different markets around the world. So you're getting a global reach. For example, if I publish my book in the United States, it's still going to show up in Canada and in Germany and Spain and all sorts of different countries. So I'm going to have the opportunity to make sales for my book in all these different places. The most amazing thing about Amazon KDP is that there's already millions and millions of people on the platform looking for books potentially just like the one that you want to publish. And it's already a very trusted platform. Many people use it on a daily or even weekly basis around the world. So when you publish your book, you're highly likely to get sales because the customer base is already there. And that's the most difficult part of starting any kind of business. The second most amazing thing about Amazon KDP is that it's what we call print on demand. So you don't need to have a warehouse full of your books in order to fulfill orders. Amazon KDP actually will go and print your book each time that it's ordered. So someone places an order, they print that one copy, it goes out, they ship it, they handle all the customer support, absolutely everything for you, and all you had to do was upload the book. So just to recap, they're bringing in customers to purchase your book, then they're printing and then shipping your book for you and handling all the customer service, which is pretty amazing. Obviously, you do have to get reviews for your books, and there is lots of things that go into researching and making sure that it's something that's in demand in the marketplace. But other than that, they handle everything. So you might be thinking this is too good to be true. But how it works is Amazon KDP charges you for the printing of the book, and they also take a percentage of the actual sale, which I'm going to show you behind the scenes with one of my books on my dashboard. But this might seem a little bit unfair, but they're actually handling every single thing for you. So it's kind of like an introvert's dream, this business, because you don't have to do anything. So it only makes sense that Amazon will get a cut of everything. All right, so we're behind the scenes here in my Amazon KDP dashboard. If you want to sign up for an account and get started on Amazon KDP, just go to kdp.amazon.com. You can register. They're going to ask some basic information. They're going to ask where to pay you and to fill out your tax info. But all in all, this shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. So this is my example book here that I'm going to show you how this kind of works. So you can upload 3 different types of books. So it's all the same book, but you can do it in a Kindle format, a paper book format, and a hardcover format. And as well as if you publish your book on here, you're able to claim it on a website called ACX, which allows you to show up on Audible, which, we're not going to get into too much in this video, but you would either hire a narrator, or Amazon has a new program in beta called AI Voice, which basically would turn your book automatically into an audiobook. So I'm just going to quickly take you through kind of what this looks like to explain everything. But if you want a full process of how to upload your first book, I have another video on that I will link down in the description. So obviously you're putting in your book title, the language, your author name, your book description. They're asking a few other things. There's going to be categories and back-end keywords, which once again I explained in detail in another video. And then you're going to take your manuscript and your cover and you're going to upload them. Obviously, you're going to have to learn how these parts work. I'm going to do other videos on them, but it's pretty simple. They're going to go down. They're going to ask if you used AI or if it was done without. Either is fine. They just want to know. Consider that like a survey. You're going to hit launch previewer and it's going to show you your book. So you're going to be able to do any final checks to make sure that it looks the way that you want it to look. And here, usually I suggest you enroll your book in KDP Select, but again, I'll go into that more detail later. And the final part is pricing. So if your price is $3.99 and you select the 35% option, you can see here, 140 is the royalty, where if I change it to 70%, same thing, but the royalty is $2.76. So it has a lot to do with if you're pricing your book over $2.99 or the actual size of the file. But typically when you're launching a book that's an ebook, we start with a lower price and it will autofill to all these other countries around the same price. And then we're going to hit publish. And then basically within a few days, your book will go live on Amazon KDP and you'll be ready to go. So you can do the same thing for the paperback, the hardcover, and eventually maybe even get your book narrated to get it onto ACX. So the goal here is you want a bunch of different sources of royalties for the same book. So all these different formats gets you different buyers and allows your book to make more money. So after your book's published, in the future, you'll want to check and see if you made any sales. Obviously, there is other steps such as doing marketing or getting reviews that are going to lead to a lot more sales. But just being on the platform alone can allow your book to sell. So you're going to want to go to reports and click on the royalties estimator, and then you can choose your dates to see if you've made any sales. This account here has done over $500,000 and pretty similar numbers on Audible as well, but it is separate platforms, so I can't really show you this all on one page. But yeah, it can be a very lucrative business if you learn how to do it correctly. I hope this video has been helpful and now you have a better understanding of how the platform works. If you want to learn more about Amazon KDP and how to be successful with self-publishing, check out some of my links down below in the description. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments section and I will get back to you the best I can. Okay, thank you for watching.